All right, quick little update. It's a bit snowy out. Hasn't really stopped. Probably got about 10 inches, give or take, and my car is covered in snow. But it's also not too bad out. It's about 20 degrees. Yeah, my car, I mean, it could be worse. My car's in a bit of a sucky spot. But because I have, oh, that's deep. That's deep. Because I have all-wheel drive, and I do not care about the snow, and my feet are a bit wet, it's fine. So, it's a bit cold and a bit snowy. Yeah, and in case you're ever trying to figure out what it looks like, to be inside a car when there's snow on your windshield, this is kind of what it looks like. All right, bad news. My windshield wipers don't want to go because there's too much snow, so I have to go out of the car real quick. Okay, well, it's a lot better, but now I'm soaked. There were snow drifts that are like up to my knee. That's why my knees are wet. And this storm is worse than I think probably expected. Yeah. So just for reference, the left side of my car is actually okay. There's not many wind drifts there. But on the right side, where I was trying to clean up my windshield, there was probably close to 2 feet of snow drifts right beside my car, making it very cold and very difficult to clean my windshield. Hi, so I got a small issue. Because it's my lunchtime, and I'm not trying to break any rules here, my windshield does not want to warm up whatsoever, and that's very bad. So what I'm going to do is drive around a little circle, because that in theory will warm up my car quicker, which means the fan can actually heat up quicker, so that way the windshield will warm up quicker, everything will just warm up quicker, and I'll finally be able to go to Subway, because Subway is decent. So I got a little spot right now for my windshield that I can see, and I'm trying not to block that either, because I'm trying to do a good job plowing, and I can understand that. But at the same time, I need my windshield to heat up. So, yeah. I have enough visibility to drive through the snow, but I don't have enough visibility that makes it as legal as it probably should be. So I'm going to do a couple more loops around, and we should be okay for the most part. Alright, we should be okay with this. I'm going to cruise around and it should be okay. Really safe. And it's a little slick. Yeah, a little slick. Granted, I'm only going 20 and I'm still sliding. Road conditions are questionable, to say the least. I can see the cloud, but like, not very well. Clearly. Oh, okay. It's like that. Hopefully Subway is open. I will be very sad if it's not. The snow drifts are crazy. Gosh, Subway for that. No, I don't think anyone's going to make a turn, so I'm going to turn. Traction? What's that? Alright. We did get the Subway. That is good. Now the question is, how bad will it be to get back? Everyone good? Excellent. Stop. There you go. I said the only good news is that there's not much traffic. And when I said that, there was traffic. Of course. because why wouldn't there be? There we go. Okay, that's our early time to get out. Let's go. Windshield in the back is getting absolutely covered. It's still pretty nasty out here. Some people out here know what they're doing. Others, not a damn clue. I'm hoping to see full commitment from this truck. I want him to whip that corner. I guess that was fine. Nice. Alright. I got a little bit of my shift left, so I will see you guys in the next little bit.